a chance to shoot with the Nikon Z7 over the past 2 days. I've also got the 500mm PF attached to it as well. This was like possibly my most favourite combo ever. It's a fantastic situation to be in when you're shooting birds in flight. So this is just a quick video to give you an update on some of my thoughts from my past 2 days of shooting, but the main thing I want to talk about right away is weather sealing. And I put this through its paces yesterday, got quite a bit of a downpour where I was shooting probably for about 2 hours, and consistent kind of rain, that rain that really wets you through. The camera performed brilliantly. We've got some really nice usage of the camera in the rain. So the dials, the buttons, they all seem to work perfectly fine. I had no issues at all that I can report. I was a bit concerned maybe that some of the materials that might not hold up, or some of the dials might be slightly different in the wet, but with wet hands and things like that, the camera worked as well as you would expect. It kind of felt very similar to how my D850 might work in the wet, for example. So overall, really impressed. I've got some quick shots that I took of the camera that was covered in rain and water that I'll post at the end of this video. I posted them to Instagram already, and they've got quite a reaction. A few people are kind of really impressed with the amount of water that's on the camera and how well it handled that water. So when I posted the shots to Instagram, a lot of people were saying, is the FTZ mount adapter definitely weather sealed? And of course it is. I've got the weather sealing in my Nikon F mount lens, as you would know and expect. Also then we have the FTZ mount adapter, which is weather sealed to the same degree that our lenses are, and then obviously the camera body, the Z7 being weather sealed to the same level that a Nikon D850 is weather sealed. So really tough, and took the water really well. One of my other observations whilst I was shooting is that this as a setup is extremely capable and extremely lightweight. The ability to just pan, and the balance of it is unbelievable. A 500mm lens attached to a really nice small mirrorless body. It's a really capable setup, and I think it'd be something that I'll be shooting a lot, and I mean a lot, in the future. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos over the next few days, mainly based around how the camera's performing, what types of photography I'm using it for. Please do subscribe, please do like the channel, and keep an eye out for new videos.